our family has been going on adventures throughout Alaska, from dog sledding on a glacier to side-by-siding in the backcountry. But today, we will have an extra unique adventure whale watching in Hoonah, where we will encounter birds, bears, and whales, and get some extra special footage.
Oh, look how pretty that is. The mountains are gorgeous here. So we're at Hoonah Icy Straight today, and we're gonna go whale watching again, and hopefully see some wildlife. I'm very excited. And it's absolutely beautiful here. Oh, bear activity. I mean, it'd be kind of cool to see a bear. Icy Straight Point Visitor Center! Guys, we are here. Okay, step on in. Whoa! Woo.
Just be conscious.
Wow, look, we're speeding up, guys. Woohoo! There's 2 gondolas. The green one is free, and it takes you up to the visitor center or down to like the little town. Ooh, there is. And then the red one you have to pay for, and it takes you way up to the top of the mountain. The problem with coming to Alaska, it is very expensive. But you start talking about your next Alaska trip. I'm like, next time we'll come more in the summer so we can play on there. Have you thought that too, Tom, though? Like,
yeah,
the next time we come, we need to do this, or we have to do this.
There's definitely a lot more stuff I want to do and see. It's an amazing place to come and visit. We saw seals this morning right off the ship.
And a whale.
I saw an otter eating some kind of clam or something
Yeah,
in the
so
distance.
I think there's a very good chance we're going to see something fun here. Whoa, here we go. Let me get my backpack on. I love this. Look at this. Oh, I love it. I love this town. I love the crackly fire. Listen to this. Do you see anything? Any whales yet? No whales yet. But it is so... Yeah, there's our cruise ship way over there. It is so calm today. Like, so calm out right now.
On the tour, we came up to a brown bear walking along the shore. This is a first for my whole family seeing one in the wild. It was so cool to see it looking for food along the shore. The bear was using his long claws to move giant rocks to access the sea life underneath. He knew of our presence, but we stayed further back and silent to not disturb him while he foraged for food. He seemed completely unfazed by our presence. It was thrilling to sit and watch this amazing animal looking for some breakfast, and was a great start to our tour.
Okay. Oh, we see it. Look, guys. Oh, we see the whales, and the sun is out. This is so nice. Look, guys. Do you see, girls? The whales. Oh, that's so fun.
Ah, there you go.
That is so cool. Oh, 3. There's 3. Yeah, that's so fun. There's a whale that was right in front of us. That's so exciting. Oh my goodness.
Pictures are cool.
What was especially unique about this tour is that the captain is also a certified drone pilot. During your adventure, the drone is sent out and gives you a bird's eye view of the sea life below. This offers a rare glimpse into their world. You can see a pod of whales, moms and babies, and sometimes even other sea life. By the time you are finished with your tour, you are also given a copy of all the footage taken on a thumb drive. It is an amazing souvenir to be able to keep forever. We loved coming home and seeing the beautiful footage taken of the humpback whales we encountered. He also put shots of other interesting sea life he has seen throughout the years. Here is just a glimpse of some of the other amazing footage he has seen on other adventures.
Those are high-powered boats. That's lava.
Oh, he's moving. Girls, did you see him? You can go to the other side. Papa's there. Oh, he's going down. He's going down.
There's a tail.
Oh, full-on tail, Thomas.
I got it.
That's a little bit different. So when they start to dive and stuff, then maybe,
They're gonna go feed.
possibly. Also, right out there, there's a little point kind of between these 2 points. Is another area they sometimes hit.
The other ones didn't dive though. They're just kind of hanging out on the top. Oh, he's turning. He's turning though. Oh, but he's gently.
Oh, he. Nope.
While out on our tour, we were privileged enough to see the beginning of a bubble net feeding. This is when the humpback whales make a ring of bubbles under the water to trap their food so they can all open their mouths and eat. Unfortunately, we did not get to see them eat, but we were given bubble feeding drone footage from another tour so that you can all see this amazing event. Look, they're going down. That's what they did the last time, right before they did the bubble feeding. Wow, look at them. Oh, look at them. Oh, look at the tails. That's so fun. It's going, Thomas. Oh, you see the tail? Yes, they're all diving down. And here's the third one. And down the tail goes. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, wow, he's going down. He's going down. Oh, let's see the tail. Wow. We just finished our whale watching trip, which was a whale and bear. I got to see my first brown bear in the wild ever.
Which is the same as a grizzly.
Which is same as the grizzly.
Same species.
But brown bears for the shore, and about 60 miles in, it switches over to a grizzly bear. That is absolutely beautiful. Looking out across the land. Wow, it is so beautiful here. Look at this beach with these views all around us. I just love it here. I absolutely love it here. Wow, we were just out over there, and look you can see the rain starting to pour down. Wow, look, that's how high the water gets though. The fluctuation is like insane. Well, we saw a little starfish, and now we're continuing down the path to see if we can find any other little creatures. We can see like little tiny minnows in the water.
This is our view from leaving Icy Straight Point. Or Huna. I guess it has two names. And right here, there was tons of whales right in front of me. Right here, right off the cruise ship, there was tons of whales with their breaching and with their tails coming up out of the water over and over again. It was wonderful to see. We just sat on the front of the cruise ship in the afternoon and just watching the whales come up and down. They're swimming further inland. I can see them on my camera. It's the whole family.